Unlocking the Joy of Make Merry, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to unwrap the meaning behind the festive English phrase, make merry. This idiom is all about joy and celebration, so let's dive in and add some sparkle to your English vocabulary. Make merry is a phrase that conjures images of laughter, enjoyment, and celebration. It's an invitation to be happy and enjoy oneself, often in the company of others. To make merry could mean singing, dancing, feasting, or simply sharing good times. This idiom is all about creating an atmosphere of fun and happiness. The phrase, make merry, has a rich history, dating back to times when celebrations were a vital part of life. The word, merry, itself comes from Old English, meaning pleasant and delightful. Historically, making merry was associated with special occasions like harvests, weddings, and festivals. Now, let's see how to use make merry in everyday conversation. The whole village came together to make merry at the fair. After the final exams, the students were eager to make merry and relax. During the holiday season, families make merry and share gifts. Merrymaking is not just a phrase but a part of cultural traditions worldwide. It reflects the human need for social connection and celebration. While the ways of making merry might differ across cultures, the essence of joy and togetherness remains the same. We hope you've enjoyed learning about make merry and can now use this cheerful idiom in your English conversations. Remember, language learning is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about the cultural stories behind the phrases we use. So go ahead, spread the joy, and make merry with your newfound knowledge. See you in our next video.